A racing yellow 2015 Porsche Boxster GTS. New client of mine who just picked this up very recently. It was a one-owner car, pretty well taken care of. But once he brought it in, as beautiful as the car looked, I showed him that, as usual, paint correction would be needed. And I pointed everything out to him. So once he saw that, he understood what had to be done. So the paint correction was done. He was also then interested in PPF, so we did the whole front in PPF, and as well as the rocker panels. As I always try to point out, our PPF work, we do our best to tuck everything away as best as we can. No edges to be seen. So the PPF went on, and then we did ceramic coating over the entire exterior, which of course does include the canvas top as well. No coating on the wheels and calipers. Instead of that money spent, he put that in doing the PPF on the rocker panels. We got the paint to be as flawless as we could get it. This is not going to be a daily driver. It's going to be more of a weekend toy, you could say. I think these cars look really good in this racing yellow color. Unfortunately, the top, had some issues already. So this is not. You can't really fix this eventually. If this really bothers him, it would have to be replaced, but at least for now the top is ceramic coated. Did a good cleaning on the interior as well. It wasn't in bad shape at all, but still, when cleaning the leather and the Alcantara, quite a bit of dirt came off. We discussed coating the interior also, but as I told him, for a weekend driver, definitely not something that I think is necessary. There were some nicks here and there, especially on the rocker panel, so I filled in some of those as best I could before the film went on. But overall, the car looks, pretty close to being flawless. Again, looking at the PPF, nothing shown, everything is wrapped around the way it should be, but unfortunately not the way it's always it's always done. So now it's ready. He'll be here later today to pick it up, and I'm sure he's going to get a lot of joy out of it. He did his research. He checked around with different shops. He got cheaper quotes, as he told me. But in the end, he decided to come to us because he felt much more confident that we would do the job right. And I appreciate that when people realize that they can get it done cheaper elsewhere, but they are confident that we will do a better job.